Hey, TNT Moto here. All right, so we're out at the track with the 1985 CR250. This will be the last ride for this bike. I almost traded it off before I took it for a ride because the weather's been craps out here. But today it's not raining yet, so let's get out there and go for one last ride on the track, all right? Trading this bike off for 1984 XR500. The motor runs really well on it, needs some carb work, plastic's all in good shape, so I'm pretty excited about that because I haven't done a 4-stroke for the channel yet. And I know there's a lot of people out there that would love to see it. So let's fire it up and go out for a ride. All right, let's go out and get her all muddy. That track's gonna be nasty. Oh yeah, she's muddy. Wow! Could not keep that front wheel on the ground, man. Holy crap, does she want to lift up? Alright, let's go to the track. See how slick? Oh, she looks slick. Wow. I got nobody behind me here. Oh, this back tire definitely hooks up well. Back end is everywhere. Power in this bike is a lot of fun. Really wish it wasn't so muddy today. I would like to attempt to hit this jump and some of these other ones and see if I can't clear them. Having a broken back is trying to rebuild my confidence. Yeah, back to the finish line again. Finish third gear. There's my filmer over there. Oh, fun, fun, fun. I do not get out and do this enough. Hey, check it out, a guy I might actually be able to beat. Give him lots of room. New guy out here. Machine definitely did a good job on the bore, crank. Now let's see if I can clear this one this time instead of hitting the face of it. Alright everybody, that's going to wrap up another day out here at Popcom. It was just a quick ride today to make sure that the 85 CR250 was running perfect before I traded off. Everything was good. I did find that the last couple of laps there was a little boggy off the first quarter throttle. When I came back, my carb was pretty clean down on the bottom. Looked like I had some fuel leaking, so I think that my floats are out of adjustment a bit. She's overfilling. But other than that, she ran great. So I want to thank everybody for coming and watching my videos. Please subscribe, leave some comments, share with your friends, and I'll catch you on the next video.